This video is dedicated to explaining shadow work in depth, to learn, master oneself, to get rid of all of the old and to bring in all of the new abundance. So if you want to learn all about shadow work, then continue watching. Hello beautiful souls, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. Hello soul family, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. And so yes, let's get straight into it. You guys, I have been purging, cleansing myself. I was sick for like a week and a half, and my higher self, I kept getting downloads to clean my desk, like clean your desk, clean your desk. And so me sickly just laying on the floor by my desk and just ripping up hundreds of old documents, from cars to old leases to old bills to old check stuff, just getting rid of everything. And that was just so inspiring for me that I got inspired to share what is shadow work. Shadow work is dealing with your shadow self, which is the dark and the light, the good and the bad. The goal of shadow work is to understand every part of yourself, even the negative. This includes healing fears, addictions, distractions, health, childhood trauma, past life trauma, any abuse and generational curses, to basically take back all control of your life and to make a new ending, to become the best version of yourself, to master oneself. Because once you know yourself, inside and out, the dark, the light, the good, the bad, you recognize your fears and what makes you you, that you're able to look fear straight in the face and all your problems, your traumas, anything, abuse, and to be able to deal with it because you faced it head on. You learn all about who you truly are and you're able to create the life you imagine. You guys know that saying, time heals things. That is somewhat true because yes, but on the surface level, on this 3D level, it heals things. But on the inside, your inner self, the things that happen to you still affects you and they must be resolved because they still deep down inside of us affect us in the way we do things. Yes, we are better people because we're able to talk about it and somewhat just mask all the problems that has happened to us. Just because you deal with it, that doesn't mean that you're able to deal with situations accordingly, because this is how the law of the universe works, is that yes, you went through this and yes, you overcame this, but source, God, is going to keep presenting the same situations to you over and over in different forms, in different people, in different things, to see if you truly learn the test, if you truly pass the test, if you truly understand. And so that's the thing about shadow work, is mastering oneself and really getting down to the root cause of why did this happen to me? Why? And understanding why it happened to heal. And the main key for healing is forgiveness. It's not only forgiving others, but forgiving oneself. A lot of times, even like being bullied and teased, you hold, like for me, I hold like I wish I did this. I wish I whooped their butt. I wish I showed them who was the boss. But understanding that everything happened the way it was supposed to. And not only that, forgiving yourself for not beating them up, showing them who the boss. So basically, instead of saying why this happened to me, understanding and saying, what is this trying to show me? What is the lesson that's being learned? And truly understanding that. And incorporating it into the new version of yourself, the best version of yourself, you know? So when that situation ever is to arrive again, that you know how to deal with it. and you truly understand it all the way around, because you know you, the good and the bad. You know, that bad is that girl, that little girl that wanted to whoop that butt, wanted to turn around with the pepper spray and spray him real good in the face and knock him out and just, you know. But understanding that that isn't me. That's why I didn't do that. You know what I'm saying? But that is my shadow self. And understanding that I forgive the person that did it to me. And I forgive myself for wanting to do better, because I beat myself up all the time of what I could have did. And just understanding that in this moment, I have control of my life. And then I'm going to stand up to that bully, that person, if the situation ever arises, and say, hey, I'm not accepting that. And that's in relationships, family, friends, whoever it is. And standing your ground on whatever you feel you deserve. And that's it. What is this situation trying to teach you of saying, why is this happening to me? No, it's teaching us something. So, oh my God, that feels so good to say. So now that I explained that, how does all this shadow work stuff work? And so I have a 5-method shish kebab that I do, and I would love to share with you. And the first topic that we're gonna tackle on this shadow work is loneliness, because that's a feeling that has been so embedded in me and that I truly understand in doing this shadow work, and that I want to share with you guys. So if you want to learn how to do shadow work, we're going to time travel. So if you want to learn how to time travel and really understand yourself and have a conversation with your inner child, with your self that you're trying to heal, then definitely subscribe to your girl, because that's going to be the next shadow work video, is loneliness. And we about to go hard with that. So you see, this is all my clothes that I bagged up, that are old, that I don't wear, that I don't want. And this right here is hundreds and hundreds of documents and old past life, because this is in my forever past now, and that I'm getting rid of. You see all this weight of this stuff that has been on me and that I've been carrying around with me for years, that I'm finally getting rid of. And that's why I was inspired to do this video, because I felt like so relieved, like tearing up those documents of those old leases, those old cars, because I'm really truly manifesting the life I imagine, but I'm holding on to the old cars that I got back when basically I had nothing, and the old apartments as well, and everything that is the old version of me that I'm holding on to for some reason to have these, because I'm a hoarder of documents. I keep every document, all the old bills I had, all the old check stuff, just in case I need it one day. But this stuff is back from old. You guys, look, I have journal entries and stuff that I'm just holding on to from 2015. And y'all, look, I've been on this journey. I am. This is like a list of all my I ams right here. I've been doing this for the longest of time, and this is back when I was like Buddhist and stuff. I am so grateful for my Buddhism, my happiness, my apartment, my car, which I'm still so grateful. But I have a new list of things that I want to accomplish right now. And look at this. This is old daily planners, 2019, last year. And I had so much old stuff that I just have to, this stuff has been weighing me down. So it was very, very therapeutic and a form of shadow work that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you have anything that's old, that's cluttered, that's in your way, get rid of it, because this is energy. All things are energy, and what I say, we're manipulating energy. And so I'm holding on to all this past stuff. I need to let it go. So I'm taking this to my car. This is the clothes, and I'm gonna donate it to someone who needs it. And this is going in the trash. And what I learned about creating the life you imagine, the life you desire, is all about manipulating energy. It's not just about changing your environment and your mindset. Material things hold energy as well, like clothes, document, your phone, the things that you watch, the things that you consume. Everything is energy, and it's important to realize that to change your situation, your life. And you guys, that took me hours and hours of like hand shredding all of these documents because I was like ripping up my name on everything. And it felt so good. So if you like this video in any way, or if this video was informative to you and helped you in any way, show your girl some love right now and hit that thumbs up button right now. Right now. Because I'm going to be coming through with all the good health and fitness. Talking about the internal beauty, exuding outwardly, because there's nothing about that internal beauty shining through for me. You know what I'm saying? So subscribe, because guess what? I'm going to keep them videos coming. If you're new to my channel, dance. Just dance, dance, dance. That's why I do this at the end of my videos, y'all. Turn up. Yes, because I'm going to keep them videos coming. Yes. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect in every way. And all your experiences just made you absolutely perfect because it's building the perfect version of you. You are perfectly human. Yes. Shout out to all my perfect gang. Throw up the hearts. Gang, 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 gang. Let's connect. Perfect gang and no gang. I am sending everyone tons of love, and I'm wishing everyone the best day. You guys, like I said, subscribe if you want to see the shadow work of loneliness, because I'm about to time travel to heal my inner self. I'm wishing everyone a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.